Great. I also feel good about it. Now, to honor your skills, we have a school bag, a pair of shoes, and an electronic watch. Anybody musician in next year, please make sure Bosco is your friend so you can keep time. Again, if the shoes do not fit you,
try to use music to bring all sorts of children together so that they can enjoy life. Another thing, so that they can be united. And also, it is another way of transforming the lives of these children. Emerson, as it stands, we are not only caring for these children, seeing and entertaining you, but we go far ahead with the children in the disabled homes. We are in partnership with the Missionaries of the Poor,